Chapter 16. Conjunctions. Let's warm up, initiative and self-direction. Color the joining words in the following sentences. A. There was a lot of food left, but she was not hungry. B. Switch on the light when you enter the room. C. He did not go to school because he was ill. D. I like red and blue color. E. Reshu is naughty but nice. Let's observe analytical skills. Read the following sentences. Soma joined the cookery classes as she likes to cook. Ronak wants tea or coffee. Rudra is not only good at sports but also in studies. What do you observe? Let's learn conceptual learning. Colored words are conjunctions. Conjunctions are the joining words. They help in joining words, correlative groups of words and sentences. Kinds of conjunctions, they are of three kinds as given below. Subordinating conjunctions are although, as, before, once, though, until, whether, because. Example, I could not finish my project because I had no time. There are 7 main coordinating conjunctions. These are and, but, or, for, nor, yet, soon. Example, I scored 80 marks but Chandan scored 10 marks more than me. Correlative conjunctions are both dot and, neither dot nor, either dot or, just dot so, not only dot but also. Example, Kanika not only sings but also dances. Use of some conjunctions. Conjunctions example, and. Join to words or sentences expressing similar ideas. Hari went to the market. He bought a few fruits. Hari went to market and bought a few vegetables. Or. Join the words or the sentences offering a choice. He will go to the park. He will stay at home. He will go to the park or stay at home. But. Join contrasting words or sentences. Manan is young. He is wise. Manan is young but wise. Because. When one sentence says something, another sentence gives a reason. She was late. She missed the bus. She was late because she missed the bus. Therefore, so, therefore or so to combine two sentences where one sentence is a result of the other. It was raining. Ronatha could not go to school. It was raining, therefore, Ronatha could not go to school. It was raining so Ronatha could not go to school. Till, while, till and while used to combine sentences that show time. She sang a song. I played the guitar. She sang a song while I played the guitar. Please wait here. Wait for my return. Please wait here till I return. If. If to combine sentences that show a condition. You can perform better. You should practice regularly. If you practice regularly, you can perform better. Either dot or. Either dot or to combine sentences having a choice or option in the positive sense. Sumit is her eldest son. Suraj is her eldest son. Either Sumit or Suraj is her eldest son. Neither dot nor. Neither. No to combine sentences having choice or option in the negative sense. Mohan does not play cricket. He does not play football. Mohan neither plays cricket nor football.